I don't think I'll have enough battery.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's gonna be close.
Let's go, White. Let's go, guys. Play hard.
Go, Colin.
Is it tied now?
My battery's going out. Yeah, it's tied.
Don't down us.
Yeah, I don't have any more battery.
It's dead now.
It's getting ready to die.
Let's go, White.
Let's make this quick, guys.
Come on, White. Get up. Let's go.
Yeah, right
Let's
over
go,
here.
Donovan. We need that one.
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Let's go, Donovan.
Go, Bryce. Go get it, buddy.
Let's go, Bryce. Let's go, Bryce.
Oh, White.
Go green. Here, Donovan.
Let's go.
No, this don't matter. It's all right.
Balls down! Get the gunner!
That sucks.
What?
For that goalie, I feel bad for the goalie.
Come
The
on.
goalie gave up that ball. I feel bad for him.
Is it dying now?
No, it's still recording. Wait, heads up, Gunner. Heads up, Gunner.
It's like that much left.
Yeah, it's I guess a minute or two left.
And there's like a minute or two left in the game.
I don't know how much time's left in the game.
Sorry, do you know how much minutes are in the game?
Ball, 13.
Like 8?
I don't mean to block you, Rob.
I'll sit down. Can you be my I'll be your stool. Yes, Sam!
You can't push in the face. Good job, White. Come on, turn around, turn around. Yeah! Nice job, Drew. Nice shot, Drew. Let's get it, Sam.
Let's get this, Sam! Let's go, Gunny. Get in there. Use your speed and get in there, Gunny. Let's go, Shamrocks!
13, get on the ball. 13, go right to the ball. We gotta get there and help him.
I don't know what they call it.
I'll get out.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Stay in this. Find somebody.
They call it delay. Delay on green.
How?
Falls on the freaking end line.
Actually, there is, because I put him down there because I went down the woods and got him.
Go on. Dude, that's a Bryce.
Let's
Drew,
go,
go to him. Go to him.
Yeah, go Bryce.
Go to him.
Come on, defense!
Go Gunny. Go Gunny.
They need to stay on number 11. He's good. He's our best player. Is he out there? That might be him right there. 11's all they got.
11's good. He has good stick skills. Oh, that has to suck.
Slipped.
That has to stink. I feel bad. I feel bad for him.
Somebody get him.
Go, Gunner!
Get back!
There goes my camera. Battery died.